All right, guys, doing a fun new break this week. I've got 2 boxes of a Hit Parade basketball jersey series that they released that didn't last very long. I think I found it. I think it's sold in the same day, but there's a Jordan autograph in this series. So it's numbered to 100, so we got a 1 in 100 chance of finding the Jordan, and hopefully we can pull it out of here. So this is box 73 out of 100. Every spot gives you 3 random teams. So I've got 10 spots altogether. And I've got Donnie with 1 spot in this. I've got Ryan M with 2, Rick M.A. with 2, Danny with 1, Scott K with 1, let's see, Brian E. with 1, Joseph with 1, and then Luis, you've got the last spot. And this is not Scotty K, but Scott Kirk. All right, let's see what we can get out of this one. So let's go ahead and randomize the teams. Let's see who's going to get the Bulls in this one. All right, let's mix this up 5 times as well. Here we go. All right, here we go. So, Brian E., you've got the Trailblazers, the Rockets, and the Pelicans. Danny's got the Hornets, Raptors, and Grizzlies. Donnie, you've got the Hawks, the Cavs, and the Knicks. Joseph, you've got the Nuggets, the Pistons, and the Wizards. Luis has got the Lakers, Spurs, and Sixers. Rick's the big winner. Got the Mavericks. You've got the Bulls, the Thunder, Clippers, Timberwolves, and Suns. Ryan M. with the Kings, the Magic, the Jazz, the Celtics, the Nets, and the Bucks. And then Scott K., you've got the Pacers, the Heat, and then Golden State. Maybe we can pull a Steph Curry or something like that out of here. All right, here we go. 73 out of 100. Dang, it's a red one. AJ Sports World. Maybe a Raptors? All right. I'm not well versed enough to know who that is. Let's pull it out of here. Normally, if AJ Sports World is involved, it's going to be a Toronto team. And it is. It's going to be a Raptors. Who is that guy? Toronto is going to be Danny C. So, Danny, maybe this is a nice hit. Let's see who this guy is. A Pascal Siakam. I feel like we pulled him before, and we had no idea who it was. Maybe he's their first-round pick. I don't know. Any of you basketball guys, who is that? Let's see if we can find him. A strength and conditioning coach. Let's see. Pascal. He was the first-round pick in the 2016 draft. 27th overall. And he is, let's see if he's any good or if he sucks. Well, he's been averaging 16 points a game this year, so he doesn't suck. Yeah, not a bad hit. Who knows? Hopefully he turns out to be pretty good. But definitely not the hit we were looking for. All right, I'll get that folded back up and make sure we get that in the mail to you, Danny. So congratulations on that. So appreciate you guys joining us on this one. We've got one more that we'll do next weekend. And hopefully we can pull a much bigger name, including the Jordan.